Today we'll talk about how can you add your name on your Mimo app. We'll go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on profile down here. When you just click on profile, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, you just go here above this sign, click on it. Then it's going, when you click in this sign, it's going to take you to this list here. So then all you have to do now, just come here to your name and here click in this sign. So then here you add here a name. So I'm going to add this name here. So when you add it, all you have to do now, just go above this sign, click on it, then it's going to save with you. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.